Hey, today we're going to be going over this Honda Civic dual projector conversion using bi-LED projectors. Now on the low beam, we've got the NHK5. This is not a projector that's currently available on our website. It's very similar to the 4 Plus that we do carry. Customer provided it, and that's the Apollo 3.0 shroud. And on the high beam, the customer provided the Cinelin 2-inch bi-LED projector. It does come with a threaded shaft. We did not use the threaded shaft because it would stick out a little bit too far and not give that flush OEM Plus look that we're really looking for. So we decided to mount it with nuts and bolts, just like we've done on the NHK. And this gives a nice recessed look. Gives you a lot better of a fitting look. And overall, it just matches the setup that we've done here. Now the full housings, the internal reflectors, the turn signal reflector, everything was painted semi-flat black. And on the shrouds, it's called Audi Monsoon Gray. We've used that for a lot of other projects in the past. We've clear coated the shrouds so they have a nice pop against the semi-flat black. I think it gives it a really solid look. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out our website. We'd be happy to go over your options with you. Thanks again. Have a great day, and please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you following us.